Hi, my name's Emily, and I'm going to show you how to wire and solder the sensor. First, for some safety tips, I would recommend wearing some safety glasses. And when you solder, you want to make sure you're holding your soldering pen like a pencil, and to make sure that you're not touching this metal part here so that you don't burn yourself.
Recording.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to solder some of the wires to the pressure sensor, which is pretty small. So what I'm going to do first is use the power wire, which I'm going to represent with red wire, and I'm going to connect it to one of these little legs on the pressure sensor. I'm just going to solder it in the corner. So I've tinned the wire already and I've hooked it around. So I'll place it. And now I will make the soldering connection. And now the power wire is connected to the pressure sensor.
Ready?
So now I have connected the wires to the Honeywell pressure sensor. So this red wire here is the power wire, and that is connected to the 3V port here on the feather. This is the ground port, which will be connected later, and this is the voltage wire, which is connected to A0 here on the feather.